Greetings! This is the Empress Sheba. Welcome to my channel and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm showing footage of me wearing my signature style, my 2-strand mini twist, and I did it with a twist this time. Flat twist cornrows going back and bangs hanging down the front. From time to time, I would do something like this to change it up so I don't get bored with the style. Also, I'm constantly reparting and refreshing. Sometimes the twists are small, sometimes they are bigger. Just depends on how I feel that week. Or as I like to say, that's strong. I politely ask you to like and subscribe. Thank you. These were 2-strand twist bantu knots to stretch my hair after a wash day. And yes, it was right before my 52nd solar return. So I did 2-strand mini twists once again with the crown top because I didn't feel like doing the whole head. And then again, 2-strand twist all over. I have the bantu knots at the ends to curl them and keep them protected. Also makes a great twist out. Also a great protective style. Thanks for watching. Be blessed.